Adding Barclays to Apple Pay is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open up the applepay.com website. So, if you have the Barclays app, you can use the Barclays app to add your card to your iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad. Then, tap on Cards from the home screen. After that, tap on Add to Apple Wallet. You will see the Add to Apple Wallet if the card you've selected hasn't been already added to your iPhone or a paired Apple Watch. After that, follow the on-screen installation and complete the process. And if you don't have the Barclays app, then to add your card to your iPhone, you have to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, tap the plus sign at the top of your screen. After that, tap Debit or Credit Card. Now, you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete your process. Apple Pay allows you to make secure payments using your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac at participating merchants.